malungkot.
1 masaya, 2 malungkot.
Oasis pa daw, please, sabi. Ay, ano na yung kinakanta natin lagi na Oasis?
Champagne Supernova.
Ayun, Champagne Supernova.
Ayan, favorite.
Favorite.
Thank you, Ma'am April.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go.
Uy, siya mo. Thank you, ya.
Go. Lives are leaving strange. Why were you while we were getting high? Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high? Hi, Chief. Something you will find me company the last
Kanina pa ako pinapansin. Sabi ni Ma'am Priscilla,
Champagne supernova sky.
ay na,
Someday you will find me company the last sky. In a champagne supernova sky. Champagne supernova sky. Wow, wow, wow.
siya tayo doon. Sa pa.
May effects tayo na. Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high?
Ano po real name ko yan eh?
Someday
Alam ko talaga yan.
you'll find me company the last
Sabi
time.
niya. Yung pag-inilay siya, yun ako doon yun.
Supernova,
Mario.
champagne supernova.
Tamaw, lalo vlog. Hello, Jezzy. Habol tayo guys, kaya to? Kaya to, kaya to. Ivan Makalan. Chris Bertolo. Oh, tap-tap tayo. 54K na tayo. Thanks so much.
Where were you while we were getting high? Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high? Someday you will find me coming in the last time. In a champagne supernova sky. Someday you will find me coming in the last time.
Ma'am April, salamat.
That they gonna get away from the summer. Go, and you and I, believe it or not, the worst is leading around. Well, know why,
Batayan ni Buti nakatakas kami mga. Panoorin nyo, abangan nyo kung paano tayo nakatakas.
Tungkol saan ba siya? Ano
Champagne
interpret?
Supernova. Ang portrayal ko dyan, men,
Total match.
ano siya eh,
Ano yun?
nag,
two lines that intertwines about
Over the bakod.
about
Wala, nahuli na tayo sa over the bakod eh.
Again, about to split up again.
Someday you will find me.
Parang iniisip niya yung champagne. Diba pumuputok yun? Siya yun. Walis na siya. Supernova. Pag inalog-alog mo yung champagne, pupulok, aalis na siya.
Thank you, Pao.
Mauubos na yung laman ng bote. Oh,
Over the
Hello.
Di kasi.
Oh.
Sipatin mo, boy.
sabi ko sa'yo eh. Oh, psychedelic.
Blue ata to. Kayo lang ba naka-live? Sipatin mo, mamaya sisipat tayo ulit.
Oh.
Kamusta po buhay, kuya? Goods
Oh,
lang.
changing friendship.
Kalmado.
Passage of time. Oh, diba?
yun.
It's about to
Tama.
About to
Pansin naman ko yan. Hello,
It's
like,
been a long day without you around. And I tell you all about it and see you.
Abby, happy birthday! Birthday ni Abby ngayon daw. Ay, konti na lang, birthday na ni Glad.
kayo ng katungan.
Sino si Glad?
Hello,
Sasalubungin natin. If you're not the one daw. If you're not the one. Yun ba yun? Birthday sa lubong.